Well, everyone, the time has come. I've had a lot of stuff I needed to address before I'm able to tackle my motor. One of the kids got sick. We just moved into this new house and we redid the entire actual foundation. That was like a lot of time, effort, and money. And just whatever else comes along with life has happened in the past 3 weeks since I rolled my motor back into here. But time to start yanking her apart. I've got my cardboard. I'm gonna poke all the screws and all the bolts and all the whatnots into and write what they are and try to keep organized. But I do have a huge box from Rock Auto with all my stuff in it that I need to get out. I can show you all that real quick, but that'll come later because that's after we, take all this apart and get it cleaned and hot tanked and resurfaced and a whole bunch of stuff, all right, let's get into this bad boy. All right, we got a lot of stuff here. Got a water pump, the timing belt, all that business. I do want to use this K-tuned slave cylinder that I've had forever. I did break off one of the sensors somewhere. I honestly don't know. It might be that one. I don't know. One of these I broke off and I need to replace. Gasket for the headers, maybe. Or it's for the ITBs. I don't remember, but I will be installing the ITBs when we get to that point. There's just a bunch of Honda parts, seals, more tiny little seals. I think I'm replacing all the seals on this motor, to be honest with you. As you can see, just seals and seals and seals. And there's the headers. Manifold, yeah, that's for the manifold, not this. That's my bad. Valve cover. Valve cover? Yes, that is for the valve cover. Pretty sure this is for the fucking head. I think this is the head gasket. I'm almost positive that's the head gasket. I'll have to look it up. VTEC gasket. But yeah, so as you can see, I have plenty of stuff to do. That is for sure, folks. That is for sure. So that box will go back up there for a while, just while I get this apart. That is the plan. Also, the plan is I would like to run the ITB, so I'm going to need a Honda. I would like to replace all the motor mounts. I would like to run Hasport because everybody runs Hasport and they're great. I would like to do the Dizzy. I have my alternator, but it's a remanufactured one and it's really old, as you can see. Yeah, there it is. Part of the reason why I'm doing this motor refresh is because when I got my OldSols, it was from a chop shop. and I just randomly found it out in Colorado. Whoever had it and was selling it had nothing on it. No idea anything about the car. And I've spent the last 8 years redoing the car. And I only did oil changes. I did replace the spark plugs like last year before I yanked it out. But seriously, that's all I've done. I am almost positive everything needs to be redone on this motor. And that's what I'm doing right now. So you're all going to be along for the ride. These videos might not be exciting, but I'm going to put the GoPro up here and we're going to go bolt by bolt. And we're going to take all this off until I need to start putting stuff back on it or whatever. So that is my plan going forward. And hopefully by the spring, I am driving my OldSols again, because that's what I hope to do. I don't know. I got my harnesses, I've got my headers, I've got my transmission out, you know, I've got, I got a single sport series XD racing clutch. I still need to buy the flywheel. So yeah, I've started cleaning all of my parts the best that I can. There's stuff everywhere. It's okay. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna fucking do it. We'll see. I don't know. That's where I'm at, folks. So enough of me yapping to the camera, but some of you might not know where I'm at on stuff. So I just, wanted to give you the old explanation of what's happening. So we're not going to do anything crazy. I just want to replace OEM stuff with some upgraded extras on the car. I'm not going to go to a turbo build. I'm not going to do all the rods. I'm not going to do all the pistons. I'm not going to oversize anything. I just want to get it back running again with some fun extra stuff that I've always wanted to do. So, yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So it's going to be fun, I think, and scary because I've never done this before. So, all right, let's do it. Well, there is the inside of the motor. Looks pretty clean to me. Looks pretty clean to me. So that's good. That's good. That means we got a nice solid base to start with. Yeah. Clean up a bit of this schmutz and whatnot, but right, I got all these labeled so I know where they go when they go back in. But these are looking pretty good. There's no scratches or real deep any kind of cuts on them, so that's good. Yeah. Same with this. Continuing to look pretty good. Right, I'm sorry I didn't have this on camera, but I used the OEM Honda crankshaft holding device, which sat in here, and you hold it that way. And then I had to go get this giant ass impact, and I was able to knock it out. So that's great. The one and only time I'm ever gonna need that, but hey, it fucking worked. It fucking worked. All right. Sweet. Sweet. Just go ahead and put that over there like so. Now I will be able to get the rest of this goodness out, hopefully. Those are super tough. I'm using this big ass fucking impact, and it has taken a while. I'm also listening to the Husker game, so sorry if you hear that, but whew, tough. These are tough. Those are the head bolts that go down into the block, so them are tough.
Both teams heading to their respective sidelines, but the officials waving them back on the field. If anything, it allows us to play. This game is brought to you in part by your Midwest dealers.
I've got them all loose. Those were fucking difficult. Good lord. Well, those will be fun to install when this all goes back together, so that'll be great. I'm gonna need some more tools so I can torque those down correctly.
For Michigan, they're trying to avoid a second loss and a second road loss at that, which could really hamper their chances for a college football playoff. Fans High Street earned the trust of agribusiness customers on farms large and small by providing coverage options that help protect what matters most. Visit hsip.com
Okay.
to find your local Nebraska insurance agent today. Kenneth Williams was on the injury report. He is the upstand on the return team for Nebraska. Too bad. 3-0. In at 38, the first, Isaiah Mosey is back deep.
All right, well.
Sutherland getting set to kick this one away. Classic helmet game. These two logos, it just feels
That's how she looks.
I like that. It just feels right. That should be on a t-shirt.
The title of DB's book. Sutherland to kick this one away. If he'll win today, which is sort of interesting.
All right. Wrapping things up here for today. So I took the head gasket off, and right here you can see this little oil smudge, or kind of like a huge pile there, but that's exactly where that was leaking, like right here, and it would leak like straight down and under the car and like down this way. So like I don't know what I'm looking at because I'm not a mechanic, but like this is where that leak was. So I think the head gasket was leaking. I can't tell you, but somebody will be like, nah, that wasn't leaking. It was fine, whatever. But like that's where it was leaking. So I think that was part of the problem, but I had an oil leak and I swear it was right there. So, but yeah. Now I just need to find a shop in Nebraska, which there's shops here, but not really Honda shops. So I just got to find one that I want to use, and that'll be like my next steps to get this taken over to the shop. And hot tank, I'm just gonna have them probably take the rest of it out, clean it all up, hot tank it, resurface it, all that stuff, put it all back together. I don't really want to do that, so I'll probably pay them to do it, but that's fine. I'll save up some money, get her done. And then I need to take this bolt from there, get it back into here, spin these up a bit, try to clean all that out, clean up the rest of the motor, do a whole bunch of stuff. So just the start, but it's good that I got it here. Solid weekend. I'm happy about that. So, all right, well, I don't know where that cut off yesterday. My GoPro died, and then I got super busy with whatever else I was doing. But, yes, we are wrapped up on the build. You already saw this, blah, 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 blah. I got it all covered up. Yeah, now we're just getting into the weeds of taking it somewhere, having to pay for that, getting it back, getting ARP head studs ordered, which are not easy to order, I think. I just got to find them for not $900. Yeah. That's about it. So, I don't know where this cut off, but I'll edit it so it's not awkward. But yeah, it was good, productive day yesterday. Excited about that, and made good progress. So we need to clean that, flip it over, take the oil pan out, take the water pump out, and a whole bunch of other stuff that I bought up in that box that I showed you. Clean, replace. That's about it. Yeah, I don't fucking know. All right, well, bet, everyone. Okay, sounds good. Peace.